I in my mouth lean, me still I smile. Because I package but I can't read, man. Me I say good, made hot. You don't cry. Every fool cry again. Don't mind me. Bally bally. Like a family cause I'm a bally. True, man. Me have enough, man. Me not stay on silent, mad for please nobody. Me do too much good, forget so much abuse and no, not even one little testimony for say boy. Go man and leave me alone. No fun I go through a whole heap of something on a shame. Me not make shame kill me a blood clot. Ha! Not me. You know, if it's song and think, and when you see the liberty, I say, really? All right, Queenie, don't pay them, but how much more me can take? Me and a human being. Eh? Come on, I'll Sikaram, take him song every minute, me big up Sikaram, same way. Where the gratitude there? You don't go and get up and paint bad picture of this. Leave me. I'm a care. Me I don't know. Since I was me there, I walk, I whisper, and can't get no rascal. I tell me, I'm a care. Have enough, man. Have enough. You pat me down and they one side, I build yourself and I laugh after me. And then I say you're afraid of me. That don't make no sense, brother. Me not like it. Me not like it. Me put up with enough fear and you know that. Whole heap. Me not bring nothing to on your table. Yes, I'm miserable and cantankerous because of what you bring to me. They want me to do all on a turn on the back against me. Like me and a nothing. Me I say, what is? Me not have that coming no dead. Right now, me I thought my heart a leap. My heart a beat because your brains tell you a million different things. Wow, we never have no love and no nice time. You just sit down and paint this dirty picture against me. Everybody a jump on your bag wagon. Eh? I to go and stay up on the bag and me go and stay here, so. You need to sleep. I can't sleep. That's enough I understand. That's well, that I make no blood clot sense. And to me loud and cantankerous and awful. Me not have no feelings. So no can use me, abuse me, and mock it here me. I'm to sit down and hide because society I got tear me down. I'm gonna tear down my dirty blood clot. I'm gonna tear down back for no big dirty blood clot back. I don't business who want blood clot like me. Wake up and sell a blood clot coffee. You know much time man abuse on a dirty blood clot and I sing the dirty blood clot song them with the man them sing against we. I know me stand up for my blood clot right and I want to come. When I go make blood clot posts and videos about me. Me a blood clot living legend and I have to talk about blood clot me. Cause me not use no shame face and shake no cockabit hand. Yeah? Me no want to do it. A long time me no want to do it. I just love my husband, but me no want him. Because the whole heap of dirty ways them and them constantly I throw them in my face. And I say, right then, I calm in so humble me is, me humble me an idiot. So none of talk about, none of blood clot and I can't take my girl power. Girl power come with the good bag and the blood clot ugly. The ugly, muggly blood clots clugly. Ugly time. Moving a hypocrite blood clot and I'm going to say nice me dress up. So me could have make boy do my blood clot face so. Every time. Remember as a flesh jump out of my skin. And you run a left blood clot me from I come out of hospital. Have me a struggle and I mark me on top of it. And I pussy go all your blood clot kind and go learn blood clot manners. Me a wife. And no matter how terrible me is, you married to me. So yeah, why? I run it from me, and I hide from me like me the worst thing pan God earth. Me the worst thing pan God earth, but you want all of me link them and all of my people them. Eh? Work it out now man, since that's some No, man. A good thing my cantankerous and mighty and terrible to blood clot. This mother sit up. You know, for how much I work, I bleeding on the heart now and can't talk. I'm not glad to me I talk right now. And that's got kiss your blood clot teeth, me kiss what mine. Yeah. What the fuck I feel like? Me not have no blood clot shame. Anything the man do me, I say him do me. And me not deny it. Because I think I could have get better. From last year when him run with. From March, May, June, him run with. And all of the disgrace are gone. Me just stick him with a long rope. Me talk to him, me counsel, me preach, me kiss ass, me kiss toenail, me kiss fingernail, me kiss ear nail, me kiss every blood clot in nail. You know what, compare, you know, talk to me for 16 days, you're gone, but as you see me upon live, had me. Then you had me for disrespect me upon top of what you do me. So me I eat that for sit down now and take blood clot you back and sit down and mad over you. All of your blood clot tell do it. We not talk about empower yourself. If me never empower my blood clot, say mother they are telling them a story. Mother hide and silent mother that I wonder what do me. Because mother come out come tell blood clot life for me. After me come out, me say do it. When I stay at Portmore because him set me up against Yvette and my mother. So Mr. say, okay, that you do the time in the hospital, you take set me up against them. So when I come out of the hospital, Mr. do me not stay at Portmore, and I don't want to see mommy and I don't want to see Yvette. Me I run with him. So me I go to Portland or St. Thomas. Me not stay at town. A whole heap of things they do youth. You need to go humble and learn respect and manners and know what to repeat back and who for repeat things. When you record me every time I cuss you as a wife, me your wife. You don't have no respect for your own name. Then I go tell me about me disrespect you. Remember where all of this start. We're married on the internet with love. Loving times, the comfort when I get with you just sometimes I just say Queenie him dead, it's not paying no mind. How long am I gonna live so you're dead and not paying no mind? But you still insult me. Yeah, angle me, yeah, undermine me, I wish me bad and I go tell me I got dead, but all them something that me I say, after you think of me, so what I'll made up and do it? Do it, may you come far in or do it? Are you motivate me? Are you give me this? Are you do me that? Give him the strength to make him be a man. You send me hear him say, Trisha say, a long time him for be a man. Me say, then you be better than a mean, you know good. Because as much as she not like me, I take you from Jamaica and get opportunity. So if you go catch a man here, that man disgrace you. How you be a mother for tell you, say, along that make you be man, brother? You want to be man for compete with me, but you be man here, so cause me give you angles of man. Nobody can disrespect you. My kids, them all, when them not like it, them accept you. And them love me, make me do my thing. You know, like my pitney them, you know, like my family, all you want to do, I run on every minute different somebody. Me not like that. So when you don't think me not have no morals, me have morals because my mother grew me good. But me grow rough and tough on the road, so I adapt every style. But me have principle and morals. When me say Dewey, remember you're married to me. Dewey, remember me have your name. You see, if it now work, baby, remember me down to her. Don't disrespect me. Me beg Dewey. I'll do a pint out crazy. Me I gonna have you for the rest of my life. Don't have up blood clot, me have up my car, brother. And bread can my car go. So me don't want to eat food. You know, mind me do it. Me not beg you for mind me. Me not pressure you. Not at all. If you don't want fuck, me not busy with blood clot fuck. Me just know so me have a husband. And me I get through the little company so me appreciate because me not hard for please. So, sure you see me not hard for please. Me for sit down in here and blood clot, madam. Blood pressure go 500. Liar, blood clot. Tell you say you got done my career. For you and tear run you say you got done my blood clot career. I'm still aware. Still. How you bad mind me for my pussy power blood clot double tap where you come meet me with where you sent the double tap queen the first time you message me for make me a connect. How you reach here try demolish my label. When I me go there and say, do it, me and do it I do the world. If me not get booking, you not get no bookings. I know you go to Canada because me get a booking from Arlene from 2021. And Arlene something come through. Arlene not even call me back and pressure me. And you go to Canada, you hype on me, brother Mac. Now people them blood clot jacket whether you shiny sequins. You look like mascot sequins with color on. And you know what I say? Me could have put him in that sequins jacket there, you know. And that bun me, you know. Me I say, watch your puppy show try to prove to defeat me. And I clone out your blood clot self. It hurt me because you're my husband. You think married a plaything? No matter rough and tough, you're married for a better or worse. Stand by your wife. I said, do it. No woman enough to come in front of your woman, your wife. You see, all when them give you the pussy and it's sweet, you always remember my counsel the you go. I said, don't make me you go counseling. Come on, my marriage. So I know say I'm young. And him still want to explore. So I put up with a lot of slackness and that's the God Almighty truth. One girl tell Dewey come to Spanish town and when Dewey reach Spanish town and say, may I cook my food? And I said, blood clot, watch me like mascot behind Dewey. Dewey go over sort the man over the galley and the man each up the outside in them white BMW and then the man, the girl I say, man I ring the phone. I say, make him come in. When the man come in and the man them say to me, say, youth, you know, for make pussy lead as tree, let me tell you something. I block you from her already, you're married. And yet, and the man say, you know how much things I could have do, but because of Queenie. One time, the man will kidnap me in the house. You know how much things I got through with you do it. And I see you sit down and tell a friend them for run me away and angle me youth. Do it. You can't demolish me. You understand me? Enough shit I put up to because of husband. So when I come and talk 30%, there's another 70 when a blood clot talk. Do not draw me out, brother, for my hard working elevation. All when you diss me and them call me, I come out go work, do it. And when I work, you inherit it. And you know, save it. Me, you save the little money, you know where I buy house. And I say to you, say, do it. Go and go upgrade the money. Put this in the 3 account. And by the Sunday, you say you get stabbed and you move out and thief the car. You go draw the money. The Sunday when you stab me, you say you get, when you punch me in my face, remember you say you go in and I not even remember that. You have £200 in your account. You say, crazy, I can't take the £200. I say, yes. I say, make me change it for me. I get 30,000 Jamaican dollars. When him change it, he said, no. He might keep back 50, so he want 150. He want 150. I get 25,000. Move it, you know, I want to every minute you want to move out for me. You know, set a foundation, you know, have one little job. You know, set up yourself and me and you build life. And yeah, make me look like me and nobody. So I must sit down and blood clot. I sit down and say, all right, I'm desperate, yes. I'm desperate because I'm married. I sign my signature for all the blood clot. They stick by each other, Bonnie and Clyde's. I want to you. You want to go through disrespect with girl on internet and girl this year. And me I say to you, say, do it. A crazy another girl do this. Oh, you mean another girl and I see your voice note. She you send the voice note. So I me do it. Girl there at Jamaica say you suck her pussy down a blood clot place. You go say, me have the girl number in my phone. Me say, show me the number. Put in the girl number and show me. Oh, me if you have girl number. Me say, do it. If me not go on internet go say you suck my pussy. Oh, me have a big blood clot queen or so vulgar Lord for go tell girl for say you, my husband suck her pussy. So now when you go mix up with a blood clot girl, everything do it blame me for. Do it so small-minded. You just have a pretty blood clot face. That's why you listen to blood clot me, Dewey and Scarlett. Take back your name and leave me alone and give me back my car. You hear me? Delete me out of your life, brother. I'm not run no joke. I'm not look no clout. I'm serious. My emotion, my pressure, and my heart. You know much time I ball to do it. I ball and I talk to do it. I ball and I say, do it. How you married me and you not communicate with me? I make a brethren call him. A style blood clot. I used to say, I'm frightened over here, I'm blind. Me no blood clot blind. I'm not blind, I'm blind. I'm loyal. All you want to do is bleach every minute, see me. And then you know bleach him a text. And when him not text him up on YouTube, him know every blood clot mix up on YouTube. Sometimes I see me and say, don't mind blood clot you. And you go to Canada. When you go for your Canada visa, I park the car up there, so when I saw the time short, and me and you go. I run, come back for the car. I would drive and park the car at that stand and take bus. Me and you struggle it go. And me and you war go. And God make you get the visa, you go tell me one day. Crazy, you grab me through me get the visa. Canada, me I go. And me I say, yeah, the man. Yes, my mouth dirty and filthy doing. And me not deny that. But me's a good, respectable wife. Me take care of you. Caring, sharing, loving, half full everything. But you not give me no credit doing. And me have enough fight. And your mother know it. But God bless her. Because I don't want her upon my side. I just want her to split justice. And she not split justice, but fear enough her mother. Can every mother still like me? If I'm my blood clot son, stand up to your wife. Are you married to her? And you not have that within you. My husband never one day come and say to me, say, Crazy, don't do no song with them and me not like it. What them people them can tell me, say, do we say, you know the song with him, do we say not apologize? I say, why do you have all of these complaints and when me talk to do it for hours, do it don't tell me? What am I married for? For people I relate back to me. Yeah, I relate to people what me talk for hours. Me is a preacher, me is a counselor, me dey on internet and my life has spoiled. Like you have some psychiatrists who are a teacher and them life spoil. Like the teacher, it's not this life. We are all human. Me see a text side now with Catburn pen man and intimidate me. I'ma call him up and I say, "You can't make me get my car, please." Doing gone 14 days now. Way, blah, blah. I talk, I preach. Who trick me? Who tell me this? Who tell me that? Me humble. Yes, so when one of them said to me, say, I for wait till the party done. Me just in my bed sleep on a beach. I just wake up and say, wait till party done. Just go and make him keep the car till after the party, man. After my party. When me I go get work for my party, them I be a screwing and fountain, and me have to kiss him ass, and I said, Dewey, you can't make the people them say, screw the man eat blood clot me, and me I live with it. Because not come easy. I try. When me look, I have Catburn pen, man, I intimidate me, cool man, black man, this a man, yeah. I'm not sad as youths. I'm not hopeless hope, so Dewey a governor. You take off the royal, Dewey, take off the Dewey, because me give name Dewey, you don't name Dewey, name Dewey, and me make it into a brand. And the one song when me hear you Dewey and Scarlett, one man to me good, you eat the song, you honor mind the song, you don't never sing the song or promote the song. You go to Canada, go flap, them boo you Dewey. In a sequence with pretty. You think me could have put you in a that? Me could have put you in a that. You see that something here? Me have one shirt for it, this. Me have the shirt and something for it. This. Me have the is and earth night and I tell him to make me and him wear. And say, oh crazy, me now wear that. But your pappy blood clot show gone in a sequins and pretty make them boo blood clot you. Why you never go say, big up my wife for say one man to me goodie that I do it. You'd have bust the party but you bad mind me. From January, I tell you say my bad, you bad mind me, you come on internet, come say my wife say my bad mind. You are a bad mind doing. He's a young little youth who come to Jamaica, take out license for you, take out passport for you. Motivate you, do all the fuck where you do, me stand behind you. Me not do no fucking more than cuss you do it. I me not do no evil. I come talk about me carry go center mass to obey you. And you're afraid so me I go do you something. Enough, brother. Done and quarter done and fake blood clot done come. Me done. You see my face that? And I like the cocoa way they give me. This is a dent. When you tell your friend them say, you spin you on the ring. I make me tell you about the ring. When I say do it, this can't be normal. Or if you thump your wife with the ring, do it, demonstrate the Friday, the Saturday night and show me back. Oh, him thump me. And him thump me yesterday. And my heart grieve. And one day I see my mom upon the veranda and Yvette, and I say, Dewey, what the ring where you thump me there with? And him say, like him I say, me don't know. Dewey him answer me. I say, Dewey, I want to dash away that ring. That ring is a crosses ring, baby. I want dirty ring when I buy a ton. I don't know nothing about him and him ring. And him get up off of the veranda and talk to me like dog. And I say, God, I need to find the ring. Him say, no know the ring. Them. I said, do you have the ring from how long? And the ring can't come off of your finger. Because the ring can't come off of your finger how long. But the thump when him thump me, I see the big piece of flesh drop out of my mouth and him take it up, you know. And that hurt me, you know. To do a witness that I don't see, you know. When me I tell you, no, I don't see, you know. And me and my husband alone see it, you know. And my mouth just a bleed, so just a run water, so come and stay, sir. Because I can't open my mouth. Me I faint. I do it talk me through it, the sun hot. I do it say, crazy, give me the Jeep. And I said, no, do it, me not get the Jeep. Me I go in and my mother, I can't believe you took me with the ring. And me I drive, do it. Do you hate me? Stop that. Demolish me, the doing. Let me set me fucking free. Give me my car. I let what to be. And when I drive going a mom. When I drive and I take the steering and I say, Mr. Dewey, me nah get the steering. I can't believe you told me. Mr. Dewey, me your wife. Man top Dewey over crying. When one man rough up Gucci and him go help Gucci. And the boy give him one blood clot up and you never talk about the man Dewey. You went go to the car for weapon. And I may have a pin in the car and say my husband. You should have licked back the man and me run go grab the man and the man say, Queenie, I'm sorry. I let go the man and say, me. Now the man you told me. I'm a stand by you. And you sit down and plot against people. You say, people, grudge blood clot me. It's gonna be neutral. Because me, God never put in the hard to work and get the disgrace and the bash and the slam and still come blood clot further and go a sting. And say me the hot girl, never a flat blood clot girl. And the wall on the one about me. The wall on have on own a speciality about me. And you creep behind my box top class. Right now, when I look on the message, I say, Bomber clot. And the people are alone in your home deceiving. People deceiving all over the world. When she said, Queenie, you hard for find this, I do it, may I forget. Uncle Free say, I do it, blood clot, girl. Why you never buy him tickets, Samantha? You see the man life, and you know, it's all that.
Me? You alright?
I'm a good baby.
I am alive?
Yeah. Love your shells. Thank you. When Samantha send the money, because they have to send me the money at England to book me at Canada for sending the application. And me and him go down and talk, my road go collect it. That time I know I'm blood clot girl. I want to play me. And they at Canada run off your blood clot mouth in a Samantha car. Me hear of a blood clot thing when Samantha friend call her or Samantha cousin. I want me to think you can style blood clot me. I queen, all your cousin love me, girl. You hear that? All your blood clot cousin love me. All when them play a blood clot, yet me if I have one script out of me, them find beauty, you know. Me's a great woman and a real woman and a pure woman. I'm going to take care of you and take you to the slum. You want to stifle the youth. You give the youth them false hopes. But no girl will have them man don't take no page out of me and Queenie book. You hear that? Every man different. Man for help them woman. I know me broke your bad. Me going to come add to it. And you broke your blood clot self bad. And when me sister get out of hand, me try. You hear that? You know, motivate yourself. See what if a blood clot bleaching cream them here where him have ya. From one girl order one and him can't go give the girl. And me say, do it. See them here? Me say, go up and some more downstairs. Me say, go up on Instagram. And endorse your cream and me will help post it. And send me £50 go give your son. Crazy me now, send the £50 go give me youth. You hype and fool. Broke hype. And your wife live. Have bank book. And I build blood clot future. And you run a demolish because you want proof for me. Do it. You hear me now? You might go buy a Range Rover and one guy might go and buy a Range Rover. I said, do it. Nobody when I get rich in a life and get up and get rich. So yes, it happens. Because you can't get a big tech. But you see, you and your determination. If you talk to do it today, you only make 10 plans. By next week, him no member. Him not consistent with nothing. So me will accept you as an old fool for all of your dirty blood clot fault. And me help you forget visa and you go to Canada. Pan top of my face where you twist out. I'll know my mouth lean and I'm coming like them give me when you have the teeth tooth. Where's something there when the mask stick in your gum? And you feel it as a young man. If you impress the world. If you impress the world, say me I want old fool. I'm awful. Me no want no blood clot Obi. Me dey tell them say me I come up with Obi and drugs and to tell them. Me no do nothing blood clot when me not for do. That's why me can terrible and no secret in nobody not have for me. If me and you chat blood clot somebody else, me tell you anybody when me chat them supposed to blood clot because you love chat people, you chat people. You know where my husband is? Do we sit down and do we make story about people in mind tell him. I say do me not listen to you. And them things that you must have said me not listen to. Because I'm not gullible, madam. You sit down and you have this little corrupted mind. Even your friend them, you're corrupted towards your friend them doing. Doing me know you more than you know yourself. Don't style a blood clot style of doing. Never blood clot do that. Have some respect. Look how my mother respect you. I come tell me about you not tell me something. My mother, you did. You said it, that's why I'm doing all the while. Him say, so look a grumble something like the time when I said to him, say, for call the tracker man, that I last year, May, this I want to make with him run with. That's why when I lick him with the something in his head. And when I say call the tracker man number, the same tracker when me give him for track the car and him neglect it because doing not take no charge or nothing. And when I say call the tracker man number because me put him in charge of it. Him walk out this and him says, Chabamba clot! Right out of the passage. And I say, you're bomba clot again, Dewey. And that make me anymore in here. Dewey is a conniving little bomba wall. And sorry if you say you're married to me, Dewey. But you know why I love you? Because you're married to me. And I frightened over your blood clot cocky. I'm tired to tell you that. Me and a cocky idiot. Me not care about fuck. From me can lie down and hug up my husband and me lie down and talk and him have this like a rampy something. So me say, you know what, Queenie? Take the good and balance with the bad because it's your husband and it's forever. And when me and him have the airport disgrace, I'm going to say to my mom, say, Mom, what am I going to do with this marriage and my husband? She said, take it one day at a time and honor your union. Stupid words to me, but very comforting to our marriage. So as my mom, as an elder, when I look up to, there is things where me listen to her and make me feel so awful. I not feel less than a woman. Not feel like me at the worst. Whether I come out of the hospital and mom, I know what to do and I pressure take her and I know take her and I say, BJ, I know say you feel away. But God make me for this. What am I for do, mom? She said, man, I kill woman and pitney. Because I got you worse. And you sit down and play this picture like you're in a disturbed relationship. No, you are disturbed, Dwayne. I'm loud and cantankerous, but me loyal, Dwayne. I'm loving. You're bagger. And you love excitement, but you don't deserve this. She said, Mommy, you don't grow and no violence. She said, Mommy, you grow with love. Watch your bagger. Why them things are reach you? You don't deserve it. Me not grow up pity them like this. Me not live, sir. So me see my husband come and mix up with everybody and turn them much in people against me. Right now, my friend named Dale, Devante father. Do it go up at Devante yard and do it. Doing that people that me had and cuss somebody with them. I said to him and even I said, do it. You know, come home. You can't have the people that me had go and say, crazy, I'm a friend them, the people now I said that I was doing. The man have him kids them in there. So even if the man allow you, him kids them now go feast of the area go on to Sunday evening. And by a couple hours after, do we get the whole yard against me when him do from the pussy to my mouth video. And when me I call everybody up there, that's why I go to Jamaica, I not go up there. Because the whole of them know me. I mean, you know, when him sit down, him tell me back where everybody say for what them not say. I say, look at that, you create all of that. But me listen, I'm still stand by you. I said, the one little break you get after you dim to my face, yeah, mock me. Yeah, show me girl car. Yeah, take piss out of me. Do go buy one car for yourself. Because the hard way you buy here where you go over the girl, blood clot over turf. And then get the parking ticket and the parking ticket go make them pound the car. And the car reach 1,400 in a pound, 1,520 pound tomorrow. The same bleaching. Well, when you come to England, with me and you do, and build the June Plum brand. Yeah, I run up with everybody, I don't do music, and the man them when me know I do music, yeah, I then I message them and I tell them write song for you. And then of course I say me do song with people where you never want me. You never tell me that, brother. Because I'm a friend for blood clot, you mother ask you why. And me that know of that. Everything me go wrong. You not tell me. You run go tell people I look sympathy. You're a wicked boy. Remember me tell you that. You're not a bad boy, you're wicked. Because sometimes you talk and bad up your money. I say, do it, stop it, you don't bad. Do I prove to people, say, him not rate me, and I don't know, me and mine him, and I know, me I call the shots. I know me and mine you do it. I share with you. Because me and you earn together. But you can't respect that. You want proof for me. You want hype for me. No blood clot girl now take them hard bread and still have you in a house of bleach. And then you stand up, you see your little face, yeah. And then me fix up this, sir. Then when him smoke the cigarette, him ash it there, sir. Then him eat the crips, him left it there, sir. Then him have the backless fever, so the man left the blood clot also come at Jamaica, which is Dewey. And your mother not grow you, sir. Because you want itch up with all a boy. I'm a God and my Lord, Warren. That's me no want blood clot. You idiot. You know, to me that great woman. Me never know where you give until me going. I could have never know all about. I want to talk. None of blood clot no can't talk to me. And none of them can't tell me when for done. Me know when for done. You hear that? None of them can't call no blood clot chat. When my cup full of overflow, me no blood clot run from when me believe in her. And I believe in her do it. I'm sit out here do it talk things what me say. But all my wife tell me every day say me a idiot. You know. Why me tell her say you a idiot? Because every time I thief your phone and say, oh, the girl them talk to you, it hurt me. It not hurt me, so do it fuck the girl them. Because from a little bit, me I program my brother them for fuck girl. Me is a tomboy and a gangster. And me say a film style that every man do it. So, me sell my soul and say, all right. The biggest problem with me and him, I have a film, have a woman and relationship and them things. So make me sell my blood clot soul. Him say crazy, you know how much time me and do the place. And do it tell me say, do it done make him deal him already, but him not escape me, I give him the respect there. So when me and him dead. So you see if him want to go, we go let him cock. Him say crazy. You know that be there, say whatever. Me say, alright, do it, how long you gonna take for fuck she? Me I stay wait in her car. If I want to follow him, go fuck her and sit down and watch. You come blood clot, come go like me a monster. Me a real G. And you can't get no more blood clot bitch like me. Miss girl a bad you up and tell you say you not answer them. And me say, do it. Me where your wife, if me call you, you not answer me. And you make girl deal with you, sir. The man called Simon, me and him there, dear. You never tell him how you beat me up in a dear for wrath. And I saw me spitting at your face. I want to do it and be real to yourself. I'm a lie down and take them blood clot. Because I know so when me rough and tough, me rough and blood clot up, you come call abuse. Why am I spitting at your face, doing? I don't come talk about. Me never come tell nobody so me spit at my face. Him run come look blood clot sympathy. Him spit back in my blood clot face. And him never tell you that. Curse for blood clot, curse. You curse me and me curse you. Move your dirty blood clot. You never tell them that. Eh? Yes. Me a beating blood clot stick doing. Enough time I ask Yvette. Him come and him just slap me, sir. And me say, doing don't ramp with me, sir. But you me love the ramping and me I want aga me not have feelings doing. Is who that I knock off my door? Is who them there? On the outside. Escada? Yeah. You can open the door. Pardon? Open the door for Shella and Anthony. Yeah. Eh? Is my door? No. Oh, by Shella. Oh. Yeah, man, them alright, man. Tomorrow we see her. Bye, darling. Escada. Bring your charger, come let me boy. Come in and know my charger there. You think my kids them feel good? But a life and a relationship. Me might be a father never live, sir. I want to you. No compare no blood clot picture, I'm cussy. But if you not bring disgrace or embarrassment to me, I not cuss you. Fucking ungrateful. You do every blood clot thing was bad to me, for contest me. And I never give me my gratitude for what I do. How now you reach a Canada? And you go with my car key. If you have spent 7 years for argument's sake, nobody can get a car key. That nice? My royal rental, you take out the page and change the name. So why you sabotage me for do it? Are you gone, you know? And me left with a dented face, you know? And me have this, you know? So me I ask you, all of your family, them, your aristocrat family, them, you don't see your family, them not deal with you doing. Your one mother where you have. Your brother himself not look for you. And all when you go and talk to him today, yourself not like him because you don't build that bond. And you grow lonely. And I saw you come and want to deal with me. So the confidence of up in every girl DM. Sometimes I see the conversation and I say, Jesus Christ, God. Really my husband this. But then, him the year and I'm my husband. You can't have it all, Queenie. Him young. Give him, you know, young a blood clot, a wicked boy. But blood clot young. 33 going to 34. I don't know one trick. But older than him, yes. But do we know young? One name blood clot young. Enough things you do, my brother. Humble yourself. For what you see you come on the live, I pop in the mess. But look how my oldest man, so not even prayers. I said, do it. Any decision you make today, it's after done. That's the 31st of August. Me know when me a blood clot done. Because that's a relationship go. Every minute you left, every minute you not left. I want to know. Escada! Escape! You know what? Call me and say crazy. Me I go deal with this and you deal with this or get somebody to talk to me or something. But you want when me come live. You want go over there go draw my pussy blood clot tongue. But do me I wait for you. I say I go see disgrace blood clot marriage car. You're a girl, you know. So you show me say your tongue longer than mine. Escada bring my little phone come. Escada. I'm coming. God bless for me pitney them. All when them share my blood clot, me them accept me because I show them love and caring. I'm going to take care of them. You hear that? No matter how I run or left blood clot them. Every good one I do for them, them appreciate me. I will invite in your family, with family and accept you. How you think my pitney them feel? She said the one side a bant and them mad after them face dent up so. Eh? You can't humble. Bring me next one, baby. We're in your room.
Okay.
You can't humble and say my wife, you know, I know say she's trouble and she can go up on internet and go on bad. So yeah, let me do it respectable. You just want to show so we are drunk, your marriage and not nothing. But no matter what, I can't deny my marriage. Big up Shy, Sikarai, my wife. She motivate me. When she say, my husband soon to be ex, I say, yes, I follow back at that girl there. Make God send me. Where you going to kill me next? I'm going to tell lies, say me kill myself, do it? Not a blood clot, go kill top class. Because when everybody find out you, maybe me will change and then will get the best of you. But God go with you, my husband, because you're married to me. You hear that? Thank you, son. Nobody no call my blood clot phone no go. None of blood clot no mad me out. My fucking crazy never lazy. Long live the queen. I want to know Rachel dead and gone, I'm still there. Why you think I'm itch on my husband, so? And a little comfort. So when me at work, me say me beg all the man drop one zip for me and the way do it angle me over the zip. Me I say, Queenie, then you were a queen. And them sitting there, you know, me talk to myself and laugh. You understand?
Dewey not defend me, I defend Dewey. Because you know what? I've got the strength and the power.
Don't mind blood clots, you. I come play a victim and I come talk about she abuse me. Me abuse you? Do when you ramp with me, you give me some blood clot liquor. When me hear the man tell the people them saying him turn on the ring, you know. Remember him demonstrate to me and I lie me, I tell you know. Remember do demonstrate to me and show me how him thump me, you know. And then I tell him friend them how him turn on the ring, you know. I saw you sit down and get up all of the 3 years out of age against me. I mean, I forgive you. And remember, you know, me not do it nothing, you know. All I would do it, girl, you know. Make me and do it argue, you know. How do it answer me, you know. Add who? Add him who? Take off my blood clot, do it for your name. I'm still a sing a song. Because I'm my brand and I me create it. I want to you. You're not even go and say it, so go big up my wife. You did about this and that and all up front. You look like one blood clot waste madman in a sea queens. It burn me. I do it who? Do it the fire? Oh, over here say you want to add me. Over here say you want to come add me. Add me. You like it? Me tell you, so the disgrace turn, man. You decline. Not decline, do it. Come. Stop play a blood clot victim. And stand up in a way you put and take me out of the blood clot. Who be aware where you put me in? You tie blood clot me. And you tie me for me help you. That's why you be so that not normal. And I come to a blood clot allegation. How much tie you run gun every minute? And what kind of tie that? Ask how much time you run, how much people you go sleep in. How much people set you go sleep in. You go in Canada, them say close missing out a shop. Ooh, and the Queen never did it, thank God, because them would have said me a shoplifter. Me's not no more blood clot shoplifter. Ex. Like how you're my ex blood clot lover. What am to do it? Me not love you more than my blood clot self. And your mother. And your wife. Then you can chat to me. And then all that big pussy girl them like my one. No can't chat to me. Because just the way I do is speak to blood clot people. Escada. This boy what I'm telling about his mother. Rude. You want to go on the internet, go tell people, suck their mother. I must do it, but you don't have to use the word then if you don't want nobody use it to you. It's a word everybody use and them upset. Expression. So it's kind of way charge of the baby. It's a word of expression. Me not stay in a solid blood clot, mother. Anybody who want to shame, I'm going to kiss my black cross and go shame. Moving a dirty blood clot. No fun in a stay in the house and silent mad over blood clot, man, and them cocky. Me no friend over blood clot, cocky. What do you charge of the boy? Yeah, my fridge look good here. Yeah. Move and grab the charger. Where charger the little boy? Which charger? Yeah. It's a command, man. You could have seen what the charger there? I did get a charger. No, you didn't, son. You never. What's on the pen? Just leave me alone, man. Where is my charger? I'm tell you, I look for it tonight. I did. You bring the wrong one, son. Okay? You bring the wrong. Something dagger me in my heart, and I say, look how much people that out there want a family. And you coming at this big top family. Nothing wrong, all right? You can't stand me the way you can't deal with me, all right, baby? Stop blood clot clown me out. I've never gone like you take me for blood clot. I use me. My bet. I yesterday this man, I say, do we go and do him thing, man? Me now look upon him. But me can't plan with myself. It's by the time the woman called me and said to me, say, Queenie, if everything ready for the 4th of October, that trigger me have come here, I said, blood clot. I said, the boy lick my blood clot chip with the car. That's me no remember say the woman forget the bookings. You know, when you see big woman work hard, don't abuse me, madam. As the God Almighty truth. It's the way you do it. As him go to Canada and put up. We don't Canada stop me in them face. And this a mad them. And I'm a cause it a judge. But you're married to me. Me's a great woman of the whole world know. The same people them a Canada where you go to. You know think that's why you get bored. You know think the girls them will make me laugh, when me cry with them and cuss with them. See the liberty where you do with me doing. And you're there Canada. Yes, my God, and it's a whole of yourself, madam. I'm not playing a hypocrite with you. I'm not using a shame face or shit no cockabit hand. I'm not silent mad. My mama mad me. I'm not silent mad. My mama see me I walk naked parade. My mother see me. I tell my pussy clean, say my pussy fat. It's all this suck pussy song when I sing, boy. Come test me. Cause I have it all. No blood clot man mouth can dirty like woman. So come test me. Me done your dirty blood clot in a song. I worry you want pussy. You want to walk and show people I'm terrible. And you can't come to me, come say, Queenie, me you married, give me back my name. I show me a monster. Where they get the blood clot monster roll. Bring back my car, make me get my car. I say, nobody wear my car, and I don't put up with Dewey. And I have sister, is a hard-working woman. When you see me come out of hospital, and that 100,000, where do we get in him hand? Ask Dewey him do with it. And don't take disadvantage of real woman. It's all whoever hide my car and I tell Dewey say, Dewey deal with it the right way. If you forget half of what you forget, you can't bully me that dead data money Dewey and Scarlett. Me have proof. Me and you got a Victoria Mutual. And when I check the little girl money, me not understand the money. I say, how much millions you shall have? A millions this doing are 100. Because I don't understand the Jamaica will figure them. And him so crazy. A millions. For my daughter 3, I want my account. I want my account for all of my kids them doing. Me's a hard working woman. Me's a go-getter. Me independent. Me's a hustler. Everything you tell do say you can't do it. You can't crazy me can't do it. Hurt do it. The simplest thing, you know. All I see my baby father come here and he put the man on the fridge, so. And the man just tear up one piece of cardboard and fold it up and said, Jane, I see the fridge a rock. And then I said, John, no, man is more than money, you know. But I accept my husband to him is, I not compare him, but I use a reference. Because really, for fact, I put up with these styles, but with the expectation, same I go and give me honor. You understand? So I see him every day is like him want see me do. You say me the man see me I go dead bad. Me say me I go dead bad. Remember I want my face injured. Say me I go dead bad? Why would you wish dead on me? So you not go dead bad? No, crazy! No! Cause me tell lie for myself when me fuck the girl them, me tell her me not fuck them. I say, wow. So simple things like that make me know you're sick. You're mental disturbed. You need help. Me tell you already. You have daddy issues and you have mommy issues. You're jealous of your brother. You say your mother put your brother first. But your brother... What, Messi?
You check your bank?
Check my bank? Huh?
Your charger.
It's alright, baby. May I use this one? Know about it.
My charger's not that faster.
Eh?
The charge of my one is not that fast. That's what I'm trying to explain to you, darling.
Alright, baby. It's alright. I'll accept it. Come in on my one there. May I talk? Eske, leave me alone now. Eske, please. Leave me. I don't want to be your friend now, son. Love you. Okay? Mommy in a element. I don't know what I do with the charger, baby. Okay. Mad sick, head no good. Mad sick, head no good. Eski! Mad sick, head no good. My opinion, them full of life like me. And them love for crazy this. Yeah. Yeah, man. I ain't pay you one brother of mine. Your mama have 2 pitney. And when me down there, you tell me about and talk to him, this and that. I say, me not busy. Every time I see him, I like me. Ah, brother, no, this, that. And I just go around, you want to run, go turn them against me. And do it again. You know when me attack and a lie. If you humble yourself, all of this on the internet, you like the disgrace and you like the embarrassment, it turn you on. I just say more girl coming at you there. Me not busy with you and none of you girl. I'm glad them take care of me and I swear. I mean, I don't want nobody look me either. All right. Me not up for no blood clot relationship. Fuck that. Me too great for blood clot relationship. It's a two-way thing. Without you, there is no us. Him soon go live, go class. Me a film star. When me reminisce back all the man, they Canada and talk to me the day now. So, wow. Shut the fuck up! No remorse, madam. Everybody with the fire live and your face, I see my big dent up blood clot over your face. And you come talk about me carry got St. Thomas. Your mind dirty and corrupted. Me not think for blood clot over. I know over exists, but it not exists a blood clot because no blood clot over and stop because self twist as my mouth twist me still attack. Me still to get on with life. Me carry my grandbaby them go to school and carry them back. Me do a ads to them. So me have focus, me blood shan a function. So me not still afraid about blood clot over. But ever so often, me have to say, no man. Him over me. And then this big over blood clot argument come up on the internet about me when my face sick. Remember, none of face sick, you know. But now hear say me I walk over. Me tie do it. Me tie do it. Me never tie man in my blood clot life. Anybody me if tie wash with it and gone. Me never gonna tie you. No man pan this face of this earth not show me no love all no like how I show me love. You know if I love woman, the little trick and whisper and ramp up with me and show me love ramp and the little puppy love. That's how you trick me and I say you all blood clot fool. I fit to survive. Me make one girl message Dewey when me there at Jamaica in December when him not chat to me. At December, whichever time. And tell the girl to tell him, so blood clot desperate and not look attention. Tell the girl to tell him, so me have one chopper man. Because he's a serious woman, you know. I don't play around, you know. If me do take somebody for something my pussy, no blood clot, body can't fuck me. Me loyal. Yeah, do what you see there. Do is a bumbo with enough blood clotting do me. Me listen to one voice note and hear one girl. I tell Dewey, say, Dewey, oh, you say that go buy me the chicken them on the fridge and see whatever she say. And I message her and said to her, I say, remember when I message the woman and say, the woman send me back one nice voice note. So she know this minute. And I message her and said, that's nice because normally when you're going to people's phone, them girl take the piss, but through my wife and my entitlement. That's enough for no. Anyway, the way the woman talk to me, it's sweet. Me say that's nice. See, all of them would have disrespect me. He said him come and get the phone and see me talk to the woman. Do call back the woman and start tell the woman or the woman for anger me in front of me, you know. So, him not reprimand me as a wife and say, go down, girl, on my phone, girl. And the girl him a tell done me, you know. So my sister do a self-esteem low. Because I'm powerful and mighty. You have to get an army for defeat me. Me not need no blood clot army doing. Me and God am my army. Don't contest me, youth. Take your glory, grow yourself and make me Queenie proud of you. You know me at. When me the ear so you ask me, I said, do tell me something nice, but me you could answer. You say, you know, so I'm caring. I said, okay, that's good. You know, so I'm caring. That's why you trick me, tell me your side that hurt me. Go, man. Give me my car. I'm a car me event, but me not miss your cocky. Me not miss blood clots. You understand? And from the 31st of August, it's like when I take him back in the summer, me heal and get over him. I'm take him back. I said, but how am I take him back? With no apology. No, Mr. This man, I said, me not apologize to him when I walk around with the dent up. Apologize to defend myself. Which one I get to apologize? The night when I call him, I'm here with the whole of people in our background. That time I don't know, say a public hospital him there. I say, you do you talk to me when the people them are hear him?
You want more water, mommy?
No, I don't want no more water. Give me the lighter, I'm at my bun and sleep. My hot girl, top girl, never have flat blood clot.
No, don't happen in me there.
Hmm?
Don't happen in me there.
What happened with me?
No, I said, don't happen in me there.
Green lighter there. Where green lighter there? And give me a square. Yeah, man, I'm not toss and turning on my bed no more, man. I'm not toss and turning on my bed. And him sit down and him watch me on the live, and that him do all the while. And him put out one next million what a grudge pass on a week, give me. One next 10 8 for me. But he would have never pick one good thing. And sister me give him an opportunity to build himself as a man. And you throw it back in my face.
There you go, there.
When me hear the man say, me nah go back to England crazy. Me nah go back to England because at Christ this so the girl living up. Them something that must hurt blood clot me. Girl I go come tell you say, yeah, waste time at Jamaica with me. And you could have been get your stay and you repeat that to me. You have blood clot since doing Scarlet. You can't tell a great woman like that, I'm going to say to you, but doing. When side chick get fucked, them supposed to hold them can until they do DNA, and you do DNA and still hide, which means that you not come a baby shower. So my husband could have come a baby shower. I mean, you have to do DNA. I mean, you to blood clot. To how I'm doing? You think that you may skedaddle with you do so much blood clot. A different thing, baby's life. And a joke thing that, brother. Do how much you want? 100. Who the fuck says that? You're so fucking childish. But then for you right girl and breeder, you see white blood clot culture different from black girl. You gonna get to you more you breed a white girl, a Indian. Every blood clot race you for breed. Cause you want 100 blood clot, you're fucking papi sure. And you don't have someone even for piss your pot in her. Eh? You sell the TV, you give her the bed, must see the girl when named Cherry, the woman who live up her. May I mix up the whole on a dirty blood clots. When I see right in my phone, my man do it. And whatever you say about blood clot me. A long time when I style blood clot me. The whole of the old blood clot can't keep buying them when I'm from long time. The bleach out zar them and look like some dead. When I do look, my daughter said, man, you're married to a man child. And the worst thing you don't like bleaching and you get a husband that bleach. Could you? And I'm still blood clot accept you. Yeah, come style, blood clot, at nice girl. My personality alone do it. The world love me. And me make the world know you. And me give name, do it, June Plum. Great. Me and you are married, I will have song released for our wedding day. You have one song release, we have one song release. Well, we're all of those beauty there. Yeah, come sit down with Samantha chat me in a blood clot. Yeah, Samantha, why you never sent him come to Canada, bitch? I'm not even happy for Samantha, and I just want class I have to make sure I know. I'm glad for Samantha. Because you got to look booking until your blood clot week. Because all do going to studio if you know they joke, do it to blood clot. So I see them little song there, where you see him come out with and me in a do it case when him say and I say, sometimes I'm all fed up. I want to do it, I push you and motivate you. Don't style me, it burn me. It burn blood clots me. Me not business who want to take my side and who want to say me that shame. Tomorrow I go blog my dirty blood clot. Me great. And I have to talk about my blood clot life. This is an open blood clot soap show. Fucking feel like. Real to the blood clot chlor. Wanna say I wanna get. There's limits and levels. Don't get me wrong. London, baby. London. I can't even shout. No, man, me never ever take it tonight again, man. Not a blood clot. London! What should I not pay me, no, man? My first, everybody very different. I hear from here and next thing when I hear from, I know my husband so childish and immature and small-minded. You're married to this woman who love chat so much. We have every understanding upon God earth. I laugh over everything just to make it right. I know me no not when me do it. People I tell me back. Do the same as him wife no love apologize. What? And who always a say I tell you say you apologize to Colleen and a ball to Colleen and you do me so much something I never sorry. So simple things like those like routine things. Man him go Riley birthday or something. I'm outside at school and I come out, come call him. So I call him a big argument. A family moment where you segregate yourself. You're not settling on the relationship. You're coming out of bed, you have on the pants, you have on the belt, everything same way. All of them little things that you've been doing. You're not trying to be sick. I'm not idiot doing. I'm just liar. I know sir. I got them time. Come together all of them and put in a basket. You know when you shop online, I see this something you want if you go borrow some money, or where you go do fit and you put it in the basket. I say I put everything in that basket. As the old fool I am. So me you kill up yourself and your mother call me and say this happened. I say, Odette, send your son go to Canada. Me long time I sell him out. Me beg her. Me say him there Jamaica mix up with gunman. Me not give a blood clot fuck. I see him where me tell her, I say make him leave. And the night before he left, blood clot, the Tuesday night to not come talk. Yeah, come tell me what me should have stepped to you. Who does that? As a married man, you go walk with 7 man, 8 on and I tell me, say me could have come step to you publicly per internet. I never expect them to go boo you tomorrow. Move your boo who dirty blood clot Dwayne Scarlett. My husband. You brought my heart many blood clot time. I don't have no more heart for broke jackass. I bex my blood clot bex over the liberty. My heart can't break again, brother. You know you have one blood clot China we on it broke. And no matter you tape it up, it's still blood clot. But no matter you crazy blue, it's still blood clot. Scar. My scar doing. I see the living blood clot proof that you're rude. Very fucking rude. All if you see one man now and them say, go up on the, yes, my God, and him go up on the party and you see the man them are taking my puppy show because they want to overrun me and so. You see all when the people then call to me, vexing them, I say, do it, and them say, what do it, and I say, do it. Him scoop on me and do me something because something, and I'm like, why are you doing that to my fans? But it's when them catch them one away, him and them, do it, don't try to, I may bring in a blood clot, this is but you bring me, you could have said me tire. Make it make sense. If it are you bring me, you could have said me over. Oh, me if you bring your highlight, you have you with my T's, PP, clock up. Yeah, my road manager, yeah, my husband. I'm not gonna work without my husband. I know you gonna Canada, gonna style blood clot me and me for sit down and just quiet and so. You send the woman call me about the car, remember the liberty myself. Escada, tell her to lend me a lighter with shoes like I can go. Tell her to lend me a lighter. Thank you. When my Yankee can go there, cause more and black light it in the room. All that me need for tidy up my room. God go there, Queenie. I want great struggle. I Queenie, I love you. And guess how with me now? You see the more do my more twist. The just laugh, I can't still laugh. I still give gratitude. Come in hard for please, you know. Me not hard for please. But it traumatized me. So every minute I touch it, I said, God, I wonder if the inside flesh I go about God. So some my mouth I got dentin. I know this spot I go or what. We don't have the little dent. But either way. What more can I fucking do? Come life. From Mariah crazy to them. When I see the man take the Royal off her name and put Dewey, I say, so you abandon me with it. You know, remember say I get name Dewey. Samantha, I scare your blood clot, man. Anywhere you and him go, fingers are going to point at you. Any man we have in Canada, them hear about this. I don't think you can disturb my life. I hide and I silent. And I sit down here, I ball, and I think. And I say, I'm a car, and I wonder if I want girl him left it with. Not even if I want girl left my car with Jesus Christ, come to think of it. I go little cherry of my blood clot car. Yes, cherry, I call up your name. Because you know my life too. I'm not even mindful of them, and I just want my blood clot spiteful and terrible. I'm not mindful of them really. Because I do put himself in them situation and kind of know if a man up him thing. Him no know if he take from him, not if take from him, if avoid from him, not avoid. And expect me to sit down. Canada love you, Queenie. She feel want thank you. You know, big up on yourself. So I say you have no self-esteem and no care or nothing. That you do my face, so I'm everybody else see my face. You carry yourself, I can't barely talk good. And you over there when I quote them when I see him right, I say, if someone put up on him story, I say, do it not done. What do I provoke me for? I saw them there, go and go put it on internet. Every time me there, go on the internet, crazy coming, now communicate with you. The man so dark, that's me. I said, Jesus, Queenie, murder you want, murder you get. Sometimes I just turn puppy dog and I said, Jesus Christ, God. Do 8 star with my blood clot. A 9 star, I either 3 3 is 9. 3 I'm looking at my star. A 9 star with my dirty blood clot. 9 star! Esky baby, get the lighter for me now, my darling. One is spliff. Marriage. Let me tell you with life for people to understand. Enough I will put up to enough things. but we can't talk. Enough of we experience nothing but with shame. Me no shame. Me, me nah make no friend, no best friend with shame. You understand me? That fuck. If uno and shame can be best friend and it work out, it's not going to work out for me. You understand me? I don't want to be shame best friend. No, fuck that. More stand up as the queen I am. As a wife I am and divorce you the right way. Stop banting me do it. Stop throwing it me. Go do your little video them. Your little promotion them and do your little something and brand yourself. Stop provoke me do it. It's not right. You understand me? She name topless, top class promotion, something like that. She one of the Canada follow around them. She run behind the promoter them and tell them for book you and then she take one. Hey girl, I better give me back my blood clot money where you take out of the bookings where you get for me dirty blood clot, Samantha. Me not even care about you, Samantha. That's the truth. You know, sometimes some things happen a long time and it come back to you. When she said to me, say, Queenie, them no book doing it, but I well want him come to Canada because I love seeing him. Not into the girl and do it there. You know, my feeling, me say, blood clot. Anything where you do, I can't be secret unless you did by your blood clot self. Me not go on a TikTok. Me no want no money over TikTok over my earth. And that's not still no blood clot, understand. When my earth and vex, me not gonna TikTok to get no money. Because me I be myself and speak my truth and Instagram build me. And I have to create my truth. All of my earth and my anger. All of my support, all of my wealth. Instagram. Wanna take it, wanna splice it, wanna edit it, and mark me. But you know what? I feel relaxed and peaceful to let out my steam. Don't put the beer. Do not poke the beer. You understand me? Don't put me. God be the glory. Great things he has done. I want to talk to me. Samantha don't send for no blood clot. Do Samantha hungry like me and blood clot do. The cherry hungry I like. Hungry like Jamaica hard life. I do him that send him go to Canada. If him go run up and down like idiot and be yes man for blood. Me not like that. And that's the truth. Or you have this big platform where you reach the celebrity and you run from my product where you're a brand. That makes sense? So you run to Samantha, we have 3 blood clot man over there, fuck her, me there, where I say 1 man to my good. Yeah, go on here, brother, leave me alone. Remember you like dirty fuck out pussy, you know. My pussy too good and clean for you because it now wall up in unless you wall in it. So you want pussy where you have pussy challenge. Me now have no time for that. I got help me not get disease. Me see all I come put up on someone. Enough disrespect do disrespect me, you know. Me not find for no girl whether them pussy fat or what the next word? I'm Mr. Dewey. What kind of something that you put on crazy? Me never calling you Mr. Dewey, but it's for me. I'm from the right crazy seat. That make me go down stairs, go send the rest of the video. Make me send the rest of the video and say that same blood clot something they him do. Behave yourself. You understand me? Him not there no bus stop him bush. Him just don't know if he capitalize on me and him make. Because him a buckle me in him heart, him a my enemy. May I tell you? So if I make £1,000, I'ma buy 2 plane tickets, him still no respect it, him no honor it. If I make 10 grand, I'ma buy 2 shoes for me and him no respect it. You understand me? Because I know him the people them call, so I say, yeah, them him for call at them. I say, Dewey, you know, say your voice if you have that confidence of doing. You can't rock the world. Crazy me no want to know them, I say, Dewey, a man. Man in the industry go far. Because me a woman, them a go undermine me, I say certain things. I say sing song for the girl, them sing one song about me do it. Remember the girl, them love me, I have the girl power or something. So like how I sing the one man to my goodie, sing one song for me. I love from when me I tell do it 1 year now. I bear other people want to make song with and make song for. And then now I'm do the song with the little words. Pain, pain, life is pain. Been through pain all of my life. The day